I am the vine. You are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. But apart from me, you can do nothing. So every branch in me that does not bear fruit, I take away. And every branch that does bear fruit, I prune, that it may bear more fruit. This image of a branch that gains all its sustenance and strength from the parent vine is a beautiful description of man's total dependence upon God. For without Him, we can do nothing. It is in Him we live, and in Him we move, and in Him that we have our being. Anochi Hagofen Ha'amitit Ve'avi Hu Hagorein.